Hello and welcome to the BMC Helix Log Analytics 22.4 updates. Here is a quick look at the major enhancements of the release. Out-of-the-box dashboards for continuous log monitoring. Extract fields from logs. Archive and restore logs. Additional connectors for AWS log collection. A key feature of this release is the out-of-the-box dashboards added to BMC Helix dashboards for Kubernetes, Amazon Web Services, and self-monitoring. These dashboards provide statistics for log collection and events generated from alert policies. The next enhancement enables you to extract the information from the log message as fields and save them with logs. These fields help operators better analyze and visualize logs. Another enhancement in this release is that you can now store logs for a longer time by archiving them. It saves you money as the archived logs are stored in lower-cost storage. From here, you can restore them for analysis. The archive and restore feature is disabled by default. To have it enabled, contact BMC support and discuss your license entitlements. The next enhancement enables you to use Windows and Linux connectors to collect logs from Amazon Web Services. For more information about these exciting features, click the link provided in this video's description. Thank you for watching.